Hey crochet lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, I'm going to show very beautiful and amazing style crochet work ladies fingerless gloves designs ideas. Hope so you like this video. Hope so you like all the ideas. So please watch this video till the end and please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Keep your hand cozy crochet fingerless gloves designs ideas. Stay warm and stylish. Fingerless gloves to crochet. These all the ideas are easy to knit at home with the help of crochet hook and yarn. If you want to see more ideas about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Let's get started crochet fingerless gloves with me. Rock by rock, we will create warm and cozy gloves and some details, crochet buttons and different embellishment for a personal touch. Hope so you like it and hope so you like this all the different collection. If you want to see more information videos and if you want to see full DIY tutorial about this all the collection, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my previous videos about crochet work and knitting work. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next previous videos. And if you want to see more ideas, so please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get my daily routine videos that I have upload daily for you. If you want to see full DIY tutorials, so please visit my channel, like my videos and share with your friends, with relative, customers, crochet work experts and others. Make them fit, customize with different style, size and cuff. Choose your yarn, pick soft, warm and cozy yarn and knit this all the different crochet work gloves easily and add some grip crochet fingers with texture for better grip. Hope so you like this all the tips and tricks. And that's a wrap. Your crochet fingerless gloves are complete. Thanks for crocheting along with me. Happy crocheting. Stay warm your hands. If you want to see more information videos, so please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get my daily routine videos that I have upload daily for you. Keep watching my more different ideas till then and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. Thanks for watching this video and thanks for joining us today, and please be share your creativity with us with different social medias account with hashtag. Happy crocheting. Take care. Okay viewers, bye bye.